Hello everyone, welcome. Let's cook kale the best way. The first recipe is kale with tofu. Here I have a foam tofu and let's fry it. Now spices goes in, salt and pepper, paprika, cumin and coriander powder. Now let's cook this beautiful kale. Oil goes in, onion, garlic, ginger and crushed chili and other same spices as before. Now add kale, some water, mix it well, cover and cook for another 4 minutes. Well, tomato was cooked for another 2 minutes, so total cook time for this kale was 6 minutes. Well, I like to cook there are extra time, so it is so good. Now it's time to add our beautiful crispy tofu and some water, then mix it well and it is ready. So good. And it's so juicy, it goes with rice and with anything or pasta. Well, now let's move to second recipe, which is kale with carrots and cabbage. Oil goes in and the ginger, salt and pepper, carrots, cabbage and then kale. Well, add water, mix well, cover and cook for 4 minutes and top it with any kind of nuts. I'm using cashew nuts. Thank you everyone for watching. Well, my channel is new. If you like to support, please welcome. I really wanna thank you everyone and enjoy. Have a great time. Bye bye. I'll see you in next video. Take care.